Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Sony Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Ford Cougar. So from any screen, if you click, it's not quite as intuitive as it could be. If you click phone, basically nothing happens. In order to get into the menu, you've got to click phone and then menu. I'll just show you. If you click phone, it says no active phone. You then got to click menu, and it's showing active phones. It's showing my phone there. Now if you use the down arrow or upward arrow, you can scroll through the menu. It's saying debond devices, Bluetooth, BT on. If you're having any trouble pairing a mobile or streaming audio, just make sure that Bluetooth is on. So we'll just go back up to my phone. Now if it's showing left and right arrows, but if you click the left and right arrows, nothing happens. So it's saying debond BT devices. You just click the center and it says device debonded. That's it, gone. It's well, once you've got the hang of it, it's quite simple. So how to pair a mobile? First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It should automatically pick it up. But I'll just click phone anyway. You see there, Ford Audio. It's already transmitting, so long as yours is ready for receiving.
On the radio display into your mobile phone,
and it's telling you to enter the pin, which is 5657 5657. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go, Ford Audio connected. The other great thing with this system is, if I go to my tunes, I'll turn that down. You see at the bottom, Ford Audio. It's like a silver triangle with three silver circles. And you see there, Ford Audio. If there's no tick by Ford Audio, just obviously just press it like so and click. Then we have to go to auxiliary. If you go to auxiliary, you may have to press it a couple of times. You see there, iPod, USB, auxiliary line in. And what we want to see our Bluetooth telephone here, and that's showing the tune that's playing. If I turn that up, and we'll control it from here. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike.